together in the future, and there will be a lot of fun, lots of fun. Okay, so I'll just start my training today. I think some people have just jumped in for a lot other trainings, and some people were not there. I saw Apeksha, who was there in my training. I saw a Batman who was there in one of the trainings. There's a lot of people in my trainings, and today the session which I'm going to conduct is the 5 phases of social media strategy. I just wanted to teach you on the 5 main things on social media. What are the main things on the social media? The 5 main important things. Okay, Pratiksha, good that you have not jumped on the right time. The session has been started at 7 o'clock. Pratiksha, great that you have just came in very early. I'll just share my screen. Do you all people can see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll just tell you about the 5 phases of social media strategy. What exactly are the 5 phases of the social media strategy? The first thing is you need to build up your social media presence. Matlab, which platform? I just wanted to ask you one question. Which platform you're using Speakology as a traffic building platform? Which platform? Which platform?
Instagram.
Good.
Facebook, Twitter, Telegram.
Great. So are you building up your presence there? Matlab, once every day, are you coming there, seeing something and going off, or are you posting something there?
We are only coming there, and on some platform we are also posting something.
That's all. That's there only we are losing. There only we are losing. If we start building the presence in the social media platform, you will be getting traffic to you, calling them about Speakology. They will be asking, "Arey, what are you doing? What are you up to? I just wanted to know about that." So that is the presence in social media. That is the greatness in social media. Every 6 seconds, one new person just joined in Facebook, right? Every 6 seconds. So you need to have that presence. You need to have that presence. So I'll just teach you how exactly you will be having. Before you complete this session, you will be almost learning the basic 5 steps in social media. First phase, you need to understand what you're doing. The first phase, what you need to understand is what exactly you're doing. You need to understand what exactly you're doing in social media. What is that we need to do? What is that Deepak has told us? What is that Adi has just told us? What is that we need to post here? You need to understand that mindset you need to have. Got that? The first thing is, out of the 5 things, the first thing is you need to understand. Got it? The first thing is understand what you're doing. And you need to know the basics of ABC of social media marketing. ABC ka matlab A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. This is not. You need to know the basics of social media platform. The basics of social media is, the first and foremost is awareness. First is awareness. You need to know the people get interested about Speakology. You need to have that awareness. You need to have that brand loyalty. What is the brand loyalty? Get people convinced of what is your brand. What is the fire in speaking? That is what is a brand. And you need to have the community of people. You need to have lot of people to be engaged in that. We have created a group called Speak of Fire. Just invite a lot of people into that. Mayank, Ridya, Abhishek, again one more Abhishek, Apeksha, Srihari, Devesh. Invite a lot of people to that group, guys. Just invite all the people into that group. Just post the what exactly you're learning. Just take a screenshot. Just take a screenshot of this. Just post. This is what I've learned today in that group. They will be attracted. What are you learning? Where are you learning from? I just want to know the details of that. Do you think that is attractive? This is how you need to build up, right? This is how you need to build up your brand. Got it? So you need to know the ABC of social media marketing. And what is the second phase? What is the first phase that we have learned? That is understanding. The second phase is plan. How you need to plan that. Whatever you're doing, how you will be planning that. You need to execute. How you will be executing that. I'll share one of my photograph, how exactly I'll do it. If you just see that now, I think you will be shocked. This is my wardrobe, guys. This is my bedroom. Bedroom में जो I stick pictures. This is what I need to do. This is what I need to do. मतलब ये पूरा it's looking like a scrap, right? It is looking like a very kachra, right? This is how I work. I just stick all that stick pads, and this is what I need to do today. This is what I need to do tomorrow. That is how I stick all my notes there. So that zeal need to be there. That fire need to be there in whatever you're doing. Got it? So how you need to plan? That is my plan. The photo which I've shown you, that is my plan. Array, I need to talk to this university. I need to talk to this person. I need to talk to this family person. I need to talk to this person. That is my plan. How will I gain money? How will I get money? How will I be advantage with this Speakology course? That is what is called planning. Got it? So you need to again understand how exactly you need to build it. This all you will be teaching, sir, but where to start? Where should I get started with? I don't know from where should I get started with. Please teach that. But you're not small kids still. You're all grown up. You're all engineering students, MBA graduates, all of other people are there in everything, right? So you are almost there. You know how to approach, how to build your network, how to do it. So third phase is building. How exactly you will be doing it. How to build your network. So building up your network is one platform you will be choosing, either Instagram, either Facebook, either Twitter, either Telegram, whatever platform you want to just choose. Pick one platform and just post all that things, all that stuff, all that learnings in that platform. That is how you will be getting started. Okay. The next thing, the fourth point is a very critical and I just forgot about, you need to build your audience. And you need to have that energy. You need to have that aha moment. Whenever you do something, you need to have that aha moment. Whatever the small thing you do, if you also talk to one person today, that's an aha moment. Got it? That's an aha moment. So that zeal need to be there. That energy need to be there. And the fourth point is test. Whatever you're doing, whether is it working or not, if you also post something and want to put a click mark there, जैसे कि click मारते हैं, you will be directly going to that webinar. जैसे कि share मारते हैं, you'll be directly enrolling to that login page. This is how you need to test whatever you're doing. That's the strength in social media platform. Got it? You also need to test it. And the fifth and foremost point is redefine it. Refine it. Means it's not like it, you need to refine it. You need to make it a stable thing. You need to arrange it properly. You need to do it properly. You need to reframe it. It's like whatever the texting you're doing, whatever the messaging you're doing, person may be telling no at the first time. Why? You need to improve in your messaging. You need to widen your reach. You need to go and talk to a lot of people. You need to go and talk to a lot of people again. You need to increase your engagement. You're going for a coffee party with your 10 friends. Go increase your engagement there. Talk to that person about this opportunity. Tell him about this opportunity, that this is what I'm learning, guys. You want to join? There's a lot of advantage. Just jump in. This is the right platform for you. You will be getting reward points. You will be getting bonuses. A lot of stuff is there. Generate leads. Increase your views. Once you post something in your Instagram or posting, you will be getting likes. You will be getting comments. Increase that. Post something at least a weekly once, weekly thrice, weekly four times, 5 times. You will be getting lots of stuff. So our branding is about Speakology, like the fire of speaking, fire in speaking. This is what is our Speakology course. So from you all people, I just wanted to know what are the brands which are there in the market. मतलब brands सुनके they will be taking the material or taking the clothes or whatever we eat whatever they want. What are the basic brands which are there in the market? Can you just unmute yourself and tell?
Many brands are there, like Nike, Zara, clothing brands are there.
Who was that? Rida told that?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So that's great, Rida. So I just wanted to tell some of the brands. Matlab only listening to the brands, they'll be purchasing. Like Nike. Just do it. Why? That's the brand. Apple. Think different.
Yes, sir.
L'Oreal.
Yes, sir.
Because you're worth it. You are worth it. That is why you're using L'Oreal products. KFC. It's finger licking.
Good.
McDonald's. Allowing it. This our Speakology is fire in speaking. That is our brand. If you want to talk, if you want to have that fire in speaking, if you want to be on the TED Talks, if you want to be on the stage on your college, if you want to conduct a team building program, if you want to have a team management skills, if you want to communicate to hundreds, thousands of people, if you want to be on the stage for a very long time and conduct an award function, this is what is the course you need to get into it. You will learn a lot of things, guys. How exactly you need to build up your communication skills, how exactly you need to talk, where to talk, how to talk, what to talk. There's a lot of assignments also that are built up into this. So why Nike is so much expert? Why we buy Nike products? What is that Nike told? It just told, believe in something, even it means sacrificing everything. If you believe that Speakology is a wonderful course, if you believe that some other course is a wonderful course, believe in that. Do whatever it takes for that. That is, just do it. Got it? So how exactly they got started? To just do it. What was the slogan just came from? It works because they have motivation people. Nike is about sports, right? It's all about sportswear. Absolutely. It's about sportswear. And it's just do it. It just sounds like personal training today. You can do it. And the first training which I've conducted, I've just told you, you all have an attitude of doing it. You all have an attitude of can do. You can do it. You need to push a little bit harder in whatever you're doing. You need to push a little bit harder. You may be just achieving the success, again you will be falling down. Just push harder to reach that success. You got that, guys? So whatever I'm telling here, it's about just pushing yourself. It's just pushing yourself. Just put a little bit hard work and you will be achieving success. Lots of success you will be achieving. So this was my session on 5 phases of social media. If you have any questions, you can just ask me questions and we can just close the call. And we'll also be having sessions alternate day. Again, we'll be having a session with Srinivas Murthy. He's one of the expert. And again, there'll also be one more webinar with Deepak. And this all are golden nuggets, guys. This all are golden nuggets which you're all getting. We'll all be, I'm a Kaizen life coach where my course is almost around 15 to 20,000 rupees. Where this all courses which we are giving as golden nuggets for you. It's all are free for you. So for this 5 phases of social media platform, if you just have any questions, you can just fire me out. Bring it on, BIO. Come on. Do anyone have any questions about 5 phases of social mastery? Sriyari, Abhishek, Rida, Mayank, Devesh, Apeksha, Adi.
The main purpose of social marketing is to connect more lots of people and share a lot of things daily by daily in the social media platforms.
Absolutely great, Rida.
Got
Great.
it, sir. That's all for that, na?
Great. That's a simple summary which you have told. I have taken a lot of energy in doing that, but you have just simply summarized it. Just give a camera high five to Rida.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Great. That's the phase you have, Rida. I'm telling you, you will be going a very long way, and you will be achieving lots of success. God bless you.
Thank you so much.
God bless you for that. Abhishek, Sriyari, Devesh, Adi, Apeksha, Mayank, do you have any questions or shall we close the call?
No, sir, none from my side. Though I just want to take a single minute and tell something.
Go ahead.
Everyone who is here in the meeting, we have a webinar coming this Saturday with Mr. Deepak sir. He will be taking that webinar. You can invite. It is an open webinar, so you can invite people to attend. And I have already shared the webinar form, Google form on the group. And yeah, that's it, sir. Sir, can I have a few minutes with you at the end of the meeting?
No problem. After everybody just log off, I'll just be there in the meeting, Adi. No problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And what Adi has just told you on Saturday, which webinar is there, don't call the people simply for the webinar who are seriously interested about what they want to just get it. Call that people, because calling a lot of people, I can just call my brother, I can just call my father and just make them sit and on their mobile phones and just make them sit here and listen to some stuff and just go off. It's not like that. Try to encourage the people who are more motivated in learning. You need to have 3 L's, guys. 3 L's. What are the 3 L's? Lifelong learner. You need to be 3 L's in your life. Lifelong learner. Every day you need to be learning some or the other new stuff, some or the other new thing. That attitude you need to have. You need to be a lifelong learner. It's everybody have that mentality that मेरे को सब कुछ मालूम है. I know everything in this world. No one can stop me. That crap and that attitude you just take out from your mind. No one knows anything. What Abhishek knows, I don't know. What Rida knows, I don't know. What Apeksha know, I don't know. What Mayank know, I don't know. What Devesh know, I don't know. What Sriyari know, I don't know. What I know, they don't know. Right? So it's like, don't think that I know everything. I'm on the top of the world. You get that point? So call a lot of people who are more interested and call as many of us people who can just come for that webinar. So this is my session for today. And if there are no questions, we'll just close the call. And
So one thing, you can people please contact people those who were present the last time. You have to take follow-ups. You have to convince them to sign up for the course.
hmm,
There is a sheet mentioned in the group description. The sheet has the names of all the people. It is a basic response sheet. It has sales form responses too. So kindly go through that and to contact people.
so approached follow up is also must, guys. What Adi has just told, go to the persons who have already come to the webinar, go and follow up with them. Try to tell them to come to the webinar if they have any queries. We can also have a call also separately. Deepak and Adi can have a separate call if they have separate questions. And we need to close the deed. We need to enroll them. That is why we are just getting earned. If you're not closing them, you will not be successful in your deal. So any other questions, guys? Just turn to the right, turn to the left, and just tell the person sitting beside you, you're awesome. You're awesome. Turn to the person to the right. Adi is sitting at the right side of me. You're awesome, Adi.
You're awesome. You're awesome.
Mayank is sitting at the left side of me. You're awesome, Mayank. Batman is sitting at the front row of me. Hey, you're awesome, Batman.
You're awesome, sir.
Apeksha, you are sitting at the back row in the hotel, back side of me. You're awesome, Apeksha.
You're awesome, sir.
You're awesome, Devesh. You're awesome, Srihari. Guys, you need to enjoy your life. You need to enjoy your life. मतलब कुछ नहीं है मतलब I just told you in the first meeting also, B and D. There's birth and death. God has created us, so anytime He can take us. Did you get that? Enjoy your life. Enjoy your life. You need to enjoy your life, guys. Okay. So signing off from now, Adi, you can just take over. If you want to just speak on something, you can just take over so that we can close the call and be on the line.
Yes, sir. I wanted to have a few minutes with you.
Right, fine.
Guys, you can leave and then we can continue ahead.
Thanks a lot. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Looking forward that you all will be enrolling and you all will be bringing lots of people. We will be having a wonderful blast in 2021. It's not about what Chinese are eating right now. We don't know what Chinese are eating right now because 2020 they have brought COVID, and if Chinese are eating something different in 2021, again it's like COVID part 2.
Yes, sir.
So there's a lot of success, guys. We need to see lots of money. Okay, 2021 we will live with lots of money. Okay.
Okay, sir. There's one thing. I think you have switched on the recording. So वो recording cloud से करा होगा तो आप please share it with Deepak sir. He specifically told me to.
It's there, done in my system. I'll just share it.
Great, sir. I want some feedback from you for my webinar for the orientation that I took. I recognize that you came in.
I was just there at the last 5 minutes, Adi. Just came at the last 28th slide. There were 29 slides. I just came at 28th slide. I was not there at the full stretch.
Okay.
I would have come down for that thing and I would have given the feedback.
Anything that you might want to tell me, sir?
The 28 slides which are there, and I think you make a separate PDF for that because 29th slide is for our team. Like what is the payment thing which is there.
Yes, sir. We have separate slides, sir. ऐसा नहीं है.
So be careful in sending to the people.
Yes, sir.
Because it shouldn't go to the universities because that's for the internal ambassadors.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever you're sending that PDF also or PPT, be careful because galti se bhi that shouldn't go. We are making our team advantage in that. We want all our team to get advantage with that. That is our basic criteria. That is our vision. That is our vision for the future. So if that goes to the wrong people, again, that would not be good. So is there any other thing, Adi?
No, sir, none from my side. Thank you so much, sir. I won't take too much time of yours.
Okay. Apeksha?
Yes, sir.
Apeksha, you can also, the opportunity which I have just told you, I have already talked to Akshara also.
Yes, sir.
So you can just discuss that opportunity with Akshara also, so that you both, whenever you just come back, because already Anu is ready to join.
Okay.
I've just told you one of the person is ready to join. So
Yes.
if you are not willing to take up now, you can just speak with Akshara and she can take that benefit.
Okay, sir. So you
Okay.
want me to tell this all, like whatever you spoke?
I've already spoken with Akshara.
Okay, so she's
So
ready to take, sir?
She told that she'll be taking some time, but as you and Akshara are accountability partners,
Yeah, sir.
so you just speak to her once. If she is interested, she will also be getting benefit in the first 10 days what she enrolled, right?
Okay, sir. Fine.
Okay. And because next time I'll be just making accountability partners again, because now you and Akshara are accountability partners. Feel free in whatever you're doing. So
Yeah.
get in and pitch in for Akshara so that she can also just get benefit.
Okay, sir.
Okay then.
Thank you, sir.
Right, then thanks a lot. God bless you. Have lots of fun. Have less rice. Have lots of rotis. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye. Bye.